What's going on, you guys? Today I want to come at you with what I believe to be the 5 best affiliate marketing networks out there that you can join. All of them are free to join. None of them cost you any extra money to join. But that being said, check out the first link in my description if you want to make $200 or $300 a day passively. If not, you can check out all the affiliate offers on all these new websites. But without further ado, let's get started. The first website we're going to go to is probably the biggest and largest of all. Of course, is ClickBank. Here you can choose from anything from as seen on TV to outdoors to make money online, health, fitness, pretty much whatever you want to do. And I'll show you this as soon as it decides to load here. That way, you know, my computer's slow. What do you expect? I'm just a poor old marketer here that don't know how to do anything. You know, I'm just trying to help y'all out and try to make y'all some money. And if I make something along the way, cool. If not, well, at least I help somebody. So here you go, in the back office of ClickBank. What you do is come in here and go to the marketplace. And you'll see over here on this side here where it'll load all the categories. And as you see here, you got arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting systems, computer, internet, you name it, it's here. If you can't find something here, there may not be a market for it. But the reason why I don't like this website a whole lot, some of it's kind of scammy, don't really look that great, but some of it's really good. What I like to do a lot is go up here where it says find products, and I'll go to like giveaways. A lot of times what this is free plus shipping type stuff on the front end offer, and you know, a lot of people love that. Well, I don't know why it didn't do right this time. Okay, let's go back and do it a different route. I know this really ain't a tutorial on ClickBank, but kind of turning into that, ain't. But anyway, let's go over here. E-business and marketing, which is what I do. If you've followed me any length of time or anything else, you know this. So, whoa, ClickBank is, no, here we go. Okay. Current category. Free. So like this right here, free monthly websites, 60-minute traffic formula, front end offers fleet, free plus whatever. You know, it is what it is. Give away $741 of free marketing gifts. You know, that's what it is. Okay, this is ClickBank. The second one we've got JVZoo, which here again I like this one a good bit too. This one does a lot of software for marketers and stuff. And that's the big thing they do is software. But there again, like here the average price is $51. You get 50% commission. It's got a 5.35 return rate, roughly $1.50 earnings per click. Conversions 3%. They've sold 36,000 of this unit right here, and it's only been out since, well, it's been out for a long time. Let's go to launch date. You can approve all this or change all this just by clicking on these. This right here, the way I done it, will bring up the newest the most recent launched. So once it loads, we can see what it does. So you got Uber Support Pro, like 600 HDMI Nintendo Game System console. Ooh, I ain't seen that one. I might have to check that one out. That one just launched today. Easy social content. As you can see, there's, when you do it this way, unfortunately you don't get a whole lot of data over here. But it's the newest, most talked about probably right now. The next one, which is number 3, is Warrior Plus. This marketplace is a little different. When you log in the back office like I am here, it'll give you the top products for the day, which is what has sold best today. Then you can go to yesterday, the last 7 days, and the last 30 days. You get some decent data there. If you want better data to figure out what you want to sell, what I do is marketplace. I go to top products. You need to go to top products or search on JVZoo, which of course again here is free to sign up, or Warrior Plus. I'm sorry, I'm on Warrior Plus. But anyway, all 3 of them, all the ones I'm going to show you today are free to sign up. And if you stay till the end, I'll show you my favorite one at the very end. Here is the top sellers again. View all products. Warrior Plus is a little bit more confusing on how it works. But once you figure out the platform, it's really not that bad. Matter of fact, I may go into a tutorial here before long about that, just purposely so y'all can have it. I know there's other ones on YouTube that you can look up. Affiliates. Why is this thing not working right today? No, that is not what I wanted. Marketplace. And here you've got either where you created a product or what you've sold. As you see today, I've not made any money on this account, but this is more of a training account anyway. So I can show y'all what's going on. Okay, what is going on? They've changed this one up again. Hold on a minute. That's top sellers, affiliates, marketplace. This is mostly software as well. Trying to find out what's going on here. Try to help y'all out. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, let's go on to the next one. It's Max Bounty. I'll have to go back in and figure that one out. Which, of course, I'm not an affiliate on Max Bounty, but I know plenty of people that are, and it's basically a CPA offer. What it is that you put an ad out there for like a free McDonald's gift card. And once somebody enters their name and email, kind of like a capture page, it will pay you $1.50 to $3 generally. And with Max Bounty, they even give you a coach to help you out whenever you first get started. It's a really good program. I just haven't got around to signing up for it. and that's the reason why it is one of my top two. I just haven't got there yet. Mainly because I'm just not ready for the CPA offers yet. I'm still trying to figure out the whole affiliate marketing thing. But you can. But yeah, this website right here, they even give you a coach that helps you out to figure out how to. What you should be promoting. And last but not least, we have OfferVault, which is a combination of a bunch of different networks like DoAffiliate.com, FinApp. This one right here, honestly, if you go to OfferVault, which is 100% free, like say you're looking for something, say health. Oops. Might help if I spell it right, huh? You have 3,700 offers, and this right here is supposedly paying out $1,254 just for a lead. Now, for that type of lead, you're probably going to have to get a lot of information. Here you get $90 a sale, $90 a lead. Of course, if it's a lead, the more it pays, the more it's going to cost, or more information you're going to have to give. But that being said, you guys, thanks for watching. I'll come at you tomorrow with a brand new video. Until then, keep it real. Thanks.